Hi, my name is Sam, and today I'm going to show you how you can import a balance sheet. Now, the first thing I've done is I've created a matter and I've chosen to start with the dashboard. So to launch that, I'm going to click on it, and this matter is completely blank. No information has been entered, hence why I have a blank balance sheet. So now I'm going to click on Actions, Import Balance Sheet. Now, it does need to be in the family court balance sheet format in either Word or Excel. And we do have some templates here that you can download if needed. Now, I have got a sample one I can show you. This is a balance sheet that I'm going to upload for my client. And a couple of things that you need to note here is how is ownership identified in your document. So in my case, my client is W for wife, and my client's values are in the applicant's column. So now when I'm choosing, following these steps, I'm going to select that the values should be pulled from the applicant column, and ownership is identified as a W for wife, and the other party is H for husband. And now I just need to choose my file. There we have it. Now, as soon as you choose your file, if I scroll down, you'll see that it's listing all the items that it's going to import. So you can quickly check them off. You can bin anything that you choose not to import. But the next step to do is to just quickly identify the type of asset that it is. That information is not contained in the document, but it's very helpful if you can identify that now. Usually it would be fairly easy to fill out. I'm going to leave that one as other loan, and this would be the mortgage on the family home. Our superannuation is shown, and then we also have an add back in this case, which is a vehicle. So now I'm going to click import, and as you can see, my balance sheet has been populated very quickly and easily. And of course, you can make further edits from here to the value, or click on the actual item name and you can add further details to your item. Now, the same can be done even for the other side, because we do have their values also. So you can do the exact same step as I've done in David's sheet. But just obviously choosing the correct column to import the figures from. So that's how easy it is to populate your balance sheet by importing the data.